Introducing the HJ-50A automatic binding machine from Huijin. The HJ-50A automatic binding machine is a highly efficient office equipment which is able to drill and bind a stack of paper up to 2 inches thick at one time. Before starting using this machine, we'll have 3 steps to go. First, we turn the power on. And then we wait for the machine to finish its preheating. After that, we have to insert the binding supplies into the machine. If there is no binding supplies, the machine will alarm in here, indicating the shortage information. Okay, now we insert the binding supplies into the machine. Place your documents to bind on the table, adjust the position, and push the start button. That's all for us to do. The machine will then take care of all the rest of the job. And now, let's have another bind. We can also use this machine for holes punching. Choose the drill mode and push the start button. It will be just as easy and simple as the binding job is done. This is the shield part. It protects the operator from being hurt by the drill. When the shield is open, the machine will indicate with blinking lights in here, and no operation could be done under either mode. Automatic and easy to use binding machine with HJ-50A from Huijin.